What you need here is a bowl, ceramic bowl, a whiteboard marker. This is important. Black one, I use the black one, and a little bit of water. Okay, so now I'm drawing like a little man. Now we add a little bit of water.
I need new lip. It's dancing, Mama.
Yeah, it will dance. Slowly. Felix.